What differentiates a rich person from a poor? Is it owning huge mansions, expensive cars, and vacations at most exotic places? No, definitely not. It is the mindset. Let us tell you how. Your mindset will decide whether you will be rich or become poor. So what is a rich mindset or poor mindset? The people with poor mindset will spend whatever they earn, while people with rich mindsets will always save before spending the money. The poor mindsets will always spend to look rich, like cell phone, clothes, etc. While a rich mindset will spend like a poor, will avoid unnecessary expenses and save or invest for a better future. Interesting, isn't it? A rich mindset always creates assets out of their hard-earned money, like buying a mutual funds which can give regular income. While a poor mindset will create liabilities like taking a personal loan to buy a car. And a poor mindset buys products which are trending just to look cool. While the people with rich mindset will buy the mutual fund which invests into the stocks of such product in demand. Not just that, poor mindset remains dependent on active income like his salary, while a rich mindset creates passive income by investing. Lastly, a poor mindset is always overconfident about his talent and knowledge regarding investment, while a rich mindset will always consult an expert before investing. So tell us whether you're a rich mindset or a poor mindset. Call us.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.